Hi and welcome to the HTML email tutorial from Enria. This tutorial will show you how to create a new campaign using an HTML template that is already loaded in your system. Start from your login screen and click on Create a New Campaign. This opens up a window where you can define the campaign and the sender. Note on the right hand top there is icons which shows you your progress as you develop your campaign. Let's start with a campaign name. Say it's Introductory Newsletter, and let's give a slightly more interesting subject title for the newsletter. Give the campaign a from name and a valid from email address. Please note that your email address that you give for the from and the reply to needs to be a valid email address. Not having a valid address is violation of the CAN-SPAM Act and may result in severe penalties or disqualification of your account. Click on the Next button. Now you get a chance to select the format for this campaign. I have decided to select one of the templates that I've already loaded in the system for the SharePoints Limited Company. Click on the Next button. You'll now be presented with the template which shows how your final email will appear. You'll notice within the template there are icons of pencils. These are areas of editable content. You'll also notice this template has got a feature of personalization which is built into the template. To start editing any section of your template, click on the pencil mark. This opens up a window on the left top where you can enter your required description. Enter your description. Notice how it starts showing up on your main newsletter as well. Click on the Save button. The next section shows a repeating section which has got a title and a description. You can enter the title of your choice and a description to follow. Note that this section also has an image feature. Click on the Insert an Image link, browse your image, and save. You'll notice that the image and the title with the description has been saved into the email. Further on, there are additional sections which you can edit and customize. These sections have been designed with a smaller image and constitute the main topics within the newsletter. Enter the title and the description and an image to go with it. Notice how your image and the sections has been saved. You could enter a second section for your second topic in the same newsletter. And notice how that has been added as well. Note while you are doing this, a table of contents has been appearing on the left top. Clicking on the table of content topic would take you straight to the topic of interest. This template has an additional section on the left sidebar which allows you to enter snippets of topics of interest under the title also this month. Clicking on the pencil opens up a similar window, and you could create a side topic. I'd like to use this example to show how to create external links. To create an external link, highlight the word that you want to convert to a link and press the Insert Edit Link button. This opens up a window where you can enter your URL or also enter a mail to link if you want to send an email. Press OK, and that specific word gets highlighted and gets turned into a link. Click Save. This creates your site topic with the link which takes you to the specified location. Further down, you'll see a section called Forward to a Friend, which is a link that allows the recipient to send the email on to their own contacts. Every email from Enria needs to have the postal address of the business where the email is originating from. Emails also need to have a one-click unsubscribe button, which is a feature of all the emails that Enria sends out. If you're satisfied with the layout of the newsletter, click on Preview Email, which will allow you to see how the newsletter will look when it is finally displayed. When you're happy with the layout of the newsletter, click on I am done, return to the snapshot. This will take you back to the main section from where you can go to the next step of defining your recipients. This brings us to the end of the video tutorial for creating an HTML email from a template. Thanks for listening.